And a federal judge is blocking the Trump administration from ending legal protections for up to 350,000 Venezuelans in the U.S. The judge ruled Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem's decision to end those deportation protections and work benefits would inflict irreparable harm on those affected, cost the U.S. billions in economic activity, and injure public health and safety. Now the administration is defending its deportations of alleged gang members to a Salvadorian prison. As we learn, a Maryland father in the country legally was sent to that prison due to what ICE calls an administrative error. Immigration reporter Armando Garcia is here with more on all that. So, let's talk about this judge's ruling first. What's at stake for the Venezuelans in this country under temporary protected status?
Look, this really could not have come at a better moment for nearly 350,000 Venezuelans who are set to lose their work permits at midnight tonight and deportation protections on Monday. This is a group that thought that they were going to be protected from deportation until October 2026. That's until the Trump administration made the decision to end those protections early. So this has major implications, not only for them, but for other TPS cases. There's also an ongoing TPS Haiti case as well, so we're going to be waiting to see how that one shakes out.
Meanwhile, ICE is admitting it sent a Maryland man with protected legal status to this El Salvadorian prison where the administration says it deported alleged gang members. So what can you tell us about this case? What are they admitting to now with this error, and what happens next?
Well, ICE says that this was an administrative error that led them to send this man to El Salvador, even though there was a standing court order preventing them from being able to do so because he feared persecution. Now they're saying that, so sorry, it's too late to send him back. This is a very interesting case. This is a man who DHS claims is an MS-13 member, is involved in human trafficking. His lawyers have pushed back on that. They say that he has no criminal record in the United States or in El Salvador and is married to a U.S. citizen. Now they're faced with the very uphill battle to reverse his removal and get him sent back to the United States.
And administration officials say they've deported 17 more alleged gang members to that Salvadorian prison over the weekend, but a White House official says they weren't deported under the Alien Enemies Act, which is being battled in court, that they used a different kind of authority. What are you hearing about that?
Well, right now, a federal judge is barring the administration from sending migrants to El Salvador under the Alien Enemies Act, and another judge is barring them from sending immigrants to countries that are not their own without a chance to challenge it. It's unclear if this latest move violates any of those court orders, but this is something that the ACLU and other groups are going to be watching very closely. It also, Diane, seems to show that the administration has other options, perhaps those that are already congressionally mandated and approved, to execute on their promise for mass deportation.
All right. Immigration reporter Armando Garcia, thank you.
Thank you.